I can't believe how simple it is to ride the Hero Optima electric scooter. You just sit on it and accelerate. There is no learning curve involved. It's become my everyday vehicle because it's so easy to ride and park even for a new rider.
And yes, no more visits to the petrol pump as you can charge it at home or office. But you can always go to a fuel station and inspire everyone standing in the queue to switch to electric. Since it's electric, it doesn't have a complicated slow ignition system or a gradual torque curve. It's an instant on ready to go vehicle. And since it doesn't have mechanical parts like engine, drive shaft, differential, etc., there is absolutely no delay in pickup. It has instant and quick acceleration as power is sent directly to the wheels.
You don't have to worry about running out of battery while you're on the way. It has a double battery which can be switched instantly with a press of a button. So you can ride all day and explore the city without running out of battery.
There's no doubt we all worry about fuel running out, and same is the case with electric. But with the Optima ER you have nothing to worry as all it takes is 4 to 5 hours of charge to give you 100 plus kilometers of range. And if both the batteries go low, you can stop and charge anywhere with a regular 3-pin socket.
It's always a hassle to go to service stations or mechanic, but with Hero Optima electric scooter, I don't have to worry about all that.
If no maintenance, long-lasting batteries and other class-leading features weren't enough, you also get 3 years of warranty. Now that's like a cherry on the cake.
Every time we go on a ride, people get curious and ask us all the details about the Hero Optima. They can't believe there is no noise, no pollution, and no maintenance required. You get wow reactions whenever you're riding as all the eyes are on you and everybody wants to try it.
Switching to electric is not only a good step for the environment, but also for you. Have a look at how much time, effort, money, and environment you end up saving by switching to electric. Electric is now, electric is present. So you guys decide you want to be a hero by investing in electric scooter by Hero Electric right now or regret later.